video has been sponsored by King Maps, FiveGuard, and JustScripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install HUD Studio's HUD script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the script which I'm going to install into FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. You just need to scroll down over here. Then click on this download button. Now you will redirect to the device store. You just need to click over here and get the script into your CFX portal and download the script. After downloading it, we just need to extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. Now open the file, then config.lua. From here we can configure our HUD script. In the framework section, I'll be using QBCore framework. The currency type is going to be $, over here. The notification system is going to be QBCore, and over here you can change the server's name, so I'll be changing the server's name over here. Now before starting up the server, make sure to delete the default QB folder from here. Just like this. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and over here you can see this is a HUD script which we have installed into our FiveM server. On the top right section, you can see the server's name, date, time and player's ID. Even the job and cash and bank status. And on the bottom left, you can see the HP, the food water system, the stamina and rest of the player status you can see on the bottom left. Now let's spawn a car over here. So over here you can see this is the speedometer and the HUD when we sit inside the car. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.